What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the battery draining issue after Android 14 update in your Xiaomi POCO phone. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings, scroll down and tap on battery, and then scroll down and from here check the apps that are using more battery than usual. So tap on the app which is using more battery, then you can take the action against the app. You can force stop the app, you can uninstall the app, or you can turn on or off the background or foreground battery usage. Now after this, if you are still facing the same issue, then turn off the extended RAM. So for that, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here tap on additional settings. Now in additional settings, tap on memory extension, and from here if you have enabled the memory extension then select off, and from the pop-up tap on reboot to confirm. So when you will tap on this reboot option here, it will restart your phone, and after restarting your phone the battery draining issue will be fixed. So that's how you can fix the battery draining after Android 14 update issue on your Xiaomi POCO phone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.